Hey everybody, welcome back to Nil English, where we learn various phrases, words and phrases that help improve your English speaking skills. Now, we're going to talk about something very fun that it's not a very common use idiom, but it's a older one that can help make you sound extremely intelligent if you use it with English speakers, because it's just something that's so uncommon. Now, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so you can be subscribed to this channel. Please hit the notification bell to be notified for additional videos just like this one. And please hit the like button so you could spread this video around and you can show YouTube that you like what you hear. Excellent. So this one is a stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9, which is a very old phrase. It just means putting your focus on something for that 1 second will save you additional time to have to come back to something. You ever rush on something and then realize that you didn't do it correctly, so you had to go back and redo it? So the time it took to redo it could have been saved by being really focused on when you were doing it. So a stitch in time, meaning a focus in the time that you're in, a focus in the activity that you're in, saves 9. Saves 9 stitches that you have to come back to redo. So a stitch in time saves 9 means you do it right the first time so you don't have to redo it again. So a person may say, hey, you're rushing on that project. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. Or hey, you're rushing with your assignment. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. Or you could say that you're unfocused in your studies. Just tell them, hey, a stitch in time saves 9. So a father may go to his son that's rushing with his homework and say, hey, remember, son, a stitch in a time saves 9. So what examples can you come up with by putting it in the comment section below and sharing with your friends and family so they can practice with you? Again, a stitch in a time saves 9. So the time you take to put in the comment section may save you longer time to relearning these words and phrases. So remember, a stitch in time saves 9. And share this with your friends and family so you can practice with them. Also, if you wanted to learn more English speaking skills, click the link below to learn from Nil English, where you can learn from one-on-one with English speakers like myself. That is a 4-time author plus a Les Brown certified speaker, public speaking coach that can help you with your vocabulary, your grammar, and your pronunciations. So if you're ready to take a stitch in time so you could save 9, click the link below and hopefully you and I can talk one-on-one. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this. Have a great day.